Now let's talk about bills related to governance. AB 764 from Bryan, Democrat, Los Angeles, would make school districts, county boards of education, and other local governments subject to similar criteria and process requirements that apply to counties and cities when adjusting the boundaries of the districts used to elect members of their governing bodies. It would also increase the public hearing and outreach requirements that apply to all local jurisdictions as part of the process for adopting or adjusting boundaries, and authorizing a resident of the jurisdiction to file a petition with the court for an order adopting election district boundaries for an agency that misses the redistricting deadlines. The CSBA position is opposed unless amended, and this bill was passed by the legislature on September 13th. We also have SB 494 from Newman, Democrat, Fullerton. SB 494 would prohibit the governing board of a school district from taking action to terminate a superintendent or assistant superintendent without cause at a special or emergency meeting of the governing board, or within 30 calendar days after the first convening of the governing board following a general election. A recent amendment sought by CSBA and adopted in Assembly Education Committee would protect the board's authority to act during months when a regular meeting is not scheduled. CSBA's position on this bill is simply tracking. The bill was passed by the legislature on September 13th. Assembly Bill 1352, Bonta, Democrat, Oakland, would authorize the governing board of a school district to censure a member of the board, or by a 2/3 vote of the governing board, remove a member from office if the member prevents the governing board from conducting its business, or adopts a policy that contradicts any existing law requiring a school district to have inclusive policies, practices, and curriculum. The bill also prohibits the governing board of a school district from taking an action that contradicts any existing law requiring a school district to have inclusive policies, practices, and curriculum. The CSBA position is opposed. This bill is in the Senate Education Committee, awaiting further action in 2024.